Krish-e Nidaan is a very useful app brought to you by Mahindra for our farmers in the digital age. This app will instantly identify the disease or pest on your crop and give a scientific solution with just one photo. So let's learn how to use the Krish-e Nidaan app. First of all, go to Google Play Store and type Krish-e Nidaan. Click on the install button to download the app. Krish-e Nidaan app gives you an instant diagnosis of the health of your crop just through the picture of your crop. Krish-e Nidaan, take a photo, know your crop disease. After downloading the app, open the app and select your preferred language by clicking on the right box, after which you will be taken directly to the home screen. If need be, you can also change the language later. On the home screen, click on the orange-colored Take Photo of the Crop button to upload the photo of your crop to get a prompt diagnosis. The app will ask for two permissions. 1. Camera. This is mandatory because the app needs this permission to click picture of your crop. 2. Local status information. This helps us to improve the accuracy of diagnosis and give better results. Hence, click on the Allow button. Click on while using the app and allow this app to click pictures of your crop and know the exact location of your field for accurate diagnosis of crop health. This app is designed to provide a quick diagnosis for more than 20 types of crops. Select your crop from the given list. There are two ways to upload a photo of your crop. 1. Camera. If you are standing in your field and can see the pest and disease clearly, then take photo of the infested crop and submit the photo using camera option. 2. Gallery. Submit a photo of the infested crop you've already taken on your mobile phone. First method. Click on the camera button to click the photo. Make sure that the disease or pest affected area of the crop is clearly visible in the photo. Take a close-up of the affected area of your crop. If you have clicked a clear photo, click the Submit button or click the Back button to click a photo again. Second method. If you want to submit the photo stored on your phone, then click on the Gallery button. Your phone gallery has been opened. Click on the folder where you save the photos. Select the photo you want to upload to get the diagnosis of your crop. The affected area of the crop should be clearly visible in the photo so that the accuracy can be improved. You can click the Submit button to upload the photo or click the Back button to go back to the gallery. This app employs artificial intelligence-based algorithms and will provide a quick diagnosis by scanning the photo instantly. Diagnosis includes the name of the pest or disease affecting the crop, measures to get rid of the infestation, and preventive measures to reduce crop damage in future. Thus, you can increase the crop yield per acre by using the popular Krish-e Nidaan app to get the right crop protection solution immediately.